Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial video where I guide you through the simple process of inserting and configuration a template on UBOS platform. With this template, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your own knowledge base, enabling a support bot to effectively respond on WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and Telegram. In just a few steps, you'll be able to enhance user experience across multiple messaging platforms by providing instant and accurate responses. To make it, you just need to go to our website and choose templates. And so you will find this custom ChatGPT for your business and open this template. There you can read some description, see how it looks like, and you can use this template. Let's press this button and we have redirect to our platform. We just need to log in or register a new account. After that, you have opened this template on our website, on our platform, and you can read some overview. You can see category of this template. You also can see some images, how it looks like, and the main you can see how much it will cost for 1 month. You just need to pay for 3 services on our platform. And let's use template. I want to fork it on this workspace. I have some another one, but want to use this one, and press fork. We will see this screen. That means that our service is in process. We need just wait a few minutes for all settings, and after that we can use it. We see database already ready to work, but we need to wait for also Node-RED system and UI editor. UI editor also ready, just need a few seconds wait for Node-RED settings. So our service is ready and we can use it. All that you need, just copy link for this editor on UI part and paste on browser and wait just a second. And you will see this page, welcome to your app, and you just need to click this button to make all settings. And there you see your credentials to log in on your application. Just copy it. To copy, you just need to click there and credential is copied. It's better to save it because this credential appears just one more time. Go to login and we need to paste it there. Press login. And after that, you on your application where you can set up everything that you need, and it's really easy. First of all, it's necessary to make some general settings. Just need to go to Pinecone and log in. And there you just need to create your index, press this button, name it. After that, you need to write dimensions. It must be 1536. Only this value, and press create index. And now we wait for initialization. When we wait, we just need to copy index name and paste it there. We need URL, environment, API key, and also on this page we need to set up OpenAI API key and prompt. Let's set up OpenAI API key. Let's go to this website. Just log in. Go to view API keys and create one more. And copy it. Paste this key there, and we need to set up some prompt to tell our bot what it needs to do. You need to write something like this: your intelligent support bot representing UBOS platform, and just respond to user questions according to some data. And press save button. It's saved. That's all general settings that we need, and after that you need to choose which bot you want to set up. We will set up all of this. Let's go to Telegram, and all that we need to set up, that's bot token, name, private chat ID if we need this, and welcome message. I already have created some Telegram bot and I just need to copy some data. For example, this is my token. I need to copy also bot name. I don't want to use some private chat, that's why I write just something like this. And you can send some welcome message for users. It will be like this. And let's save it. This data also saved. Let's set up some WhatsApp and Messenger and Instagram. To set up WhatsApp bot, I need to go to development, Facebook, choose my organization, and there I will find WhatsApp section and API settings. All that I need to copy this link, paste this token, paste it there, and I need the link, this one, and paste this link there, and press save. And after that, just need to set up Messenger and Instagram. Also need to go to the same platform, open this one, Messenger and setting. I need to generate some token. I understand, copy and done. Paste the token there and need response URL. How to set up response URL you can find on documentation. Just go to complete documentation, find messaging, and there on documentation you will find that you need to just put latest API version, page ID, and that's all. This is in my case, and I need just to save it. And after that, we can practice our knowledge base, our private knowledge base about our company, put some information there. We need to go to base page and create some knowledge object. And add it. And let's download some file. For example, I wanna download file with frequently asked question, and I need to find this file. Just go to Google Docs. I need this one, that's question and result, answer for the question and answer. File like this, that's structure for FAQ files. I need to download it on this format, just txt, and I can download this file. And press this button. And I see my file already there. Just need to divide it and divide by question and answer. To prepare to save this file on Pinecone, I need to divide it for different vectors. And let's download maybe some links also. For example, link for this article. And name it like this and save. Also, this link I can divide by points or paragraphs and make enrichment text or no. Enrichment just provide more information for your vectors and it's better. And as for me, this variant is better to divide file. Press confirm. And I see statuses, there is dividing in process. This file already divided. Let's edit some vectors. And I see my file. Look nice, that's my question from file, that's answer. I like this version, it looks good, and I want just save this file on Pinecone. and Pinecone in process. Now it's in process, need to refresh data and wait a few seconds. It's still in process and now it's saved on Pinecone. So there I have 6 vectors. Let's update our Pinecone. And yes, it's 6 vectors already there. And we see 6 vector already added on Pinecone. And let's check our URL. Press edit. And also there I have information from my URL. And let's it be like this. Maybe I want to change something on this URL. And after that, we can just use our bot and see how it will answer for us. To check how many users already used our messengers and what bot asks, we can use this page. Just go to users and now it's clear. No one use our messengers. And let's do this. So first of all, Telegram, just go to this bot and press this button. And we see answer from the bot. That's our welcome message that we set up on app setting page. If you remember, there we put this text. And after that, on user page, I see my account. And let's ask something about UBOS. This is action, it's right response. And we have response about UBOS, and it's correct. So let's try to use Instagram or Messenger account. So I already found an account. Let's ask something about UBOS. So, and we see its response from our bot. And let's try to use already Messenger. And let's ask something there. And we receive already an answer. And let's go to WhatsApp Messenger and see how it's work on WhatsApp. And let's try to use there. And we see our response.